Hey, what's up? This is Joe. This video is going to take you further into the mountains of Northwest Thailand, where I explore caves, waterfalls, some gnarly mountain roads, and of course, some delicious local food. All right, so finally starting to make some progress. This was just an unbelievable pain in the ass, getting everything that I needed, tarps, all the equipment and stuff like that, finding the scooter, everything else. So I'm heading into the mountains. I got a rendezvous with a Thai female that I met the other day. She is meeting me after work. Interestingly, the Thais work about 12 hours a day, every day. But if you ask them if they want to do something when they get off work, they're always like, yeah, absolutely. So I don't know when they sleep. But anyway, back on two wheels. From Chiang Mai, I headed due north into the mountainous district of Shang.
Sleeping under the stars?
Yeah.
How's that going?
I haven't tried it yet.
Okay.
Hopefully it's not too bad. I got a mosquito net last minute. I just got back from the Philippines. I was doing the same thing. The best part about being on two wheels in this part of the world is not having to wait in line. So Thailand, kind of infamous for some very interesting flavors of potato chips. This is scallops with white cream sauce. So as I'm here, I'm gonna periodically do Joe's potato chip review, starting with this one, I guess. Scallops with white cream sauce. Let's give it a try. You see something like this and you don't expect a lot of flavor, or you don't expect it to taste like what they say it is, but that is pure scallop right there, man. No mistaking it. I thought when I bought these maybe it'd be kind of a slightly fishy flavor. No, it's the pure essence of scallops in a white cream sauce. I mean, absolutely delicious. All right, so we're hanging out here in Chiang. Just got some absolutely delicious street food from this little stand over there. Luckily, now I have a translator. Make the whole process easier, but this is a absolutely delicious noodle soup with pork liver, and chicken balls. Something called nam tok noodles. Very delicious. Ready? The next morning, we jumped on the scooter and headed further into the mountains, riding towards a scenic route known as the Giant Tree Alley. Next, we came across a Buddhist temple which was literally built inside of a cave with a crystal clear koi pond outside and stairs which seemed to go on and on up the side of the mountain, perhaps all the way to heaven itself.
Look how clean. Catfish, koi. That water is crystal clear. See all the way down to the bottom of it. It's probably about 15 feet deep. Oh, this is the cave. Careful. This is interesting. Deep inside this cave with no light except for these artificial lamps. You got these plants and moss and stuff growing. I don't know how the seeds get here, but as Jeff Goldblum would say, life finds a way. All right, so this is a Thai curry with pork and cooked in coconut milk. It's got the kaffir lime leaves, or Thai basil, I think. Of course, they put a fried egg on top of everything in Thailand. This has got a good spice to it. The coconut milk, the basil, just tastes like Thailand. And, you know, for both of these plates is gonna be like around $3 for 2 plates like this. Up until this point, I'd been fairly consistent in riding on the left side of the road. There were, however, a few embarrassing near misses as I instinctively found myself in the wrong lane. I think right here, right? Yeah.
We continued venturing further from civilization toward an obscure waterfall located somewhere in these mountains.
Wow.
Wow. Oh, wow. Okay.
ไม่ได้ no เฮ้ย no ไม่ได้
I don't think this is the way. Hey, sorry. Oh, it's that way?
ไปนั่งโต๊ะนี่อย่าจับ
Okay.
Waterfall น้ำตก
Namtok.
ใช่ Waterfall
Okay, we. Okay, ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณเจ้า
ขอบคุณเจ้า โอ้
โอ้
ไปยังไงเนี่ยอุ๊ยไม่ต้องลงข้างล่างไม่ต้องลงข้างล่างโอ้ No.
No, I don't think so. So as you saw, a little bit of an adventure getting up here. That was fun. She's all pretty and nails and makeup and everything like that. I'm trying not to drop her in the mud. Ooh.
ว้ายได้ยินเสียงน้ำตกแล้ว
Oh, careful, careful, careful.
อ้าว
Be very careful.
ต้องเหยียบนี่
Walk.
ที่มันเป็นเหล็ก
Yes, right here. Wow, look at that water. That is so clear. Oh my gosh,
ต้นไม้ใหญ่
so cool. Oh, oh, it's cold, cold, cold. Okay, here we go. This is one of those things I never would have figured out without the help of my faithful translator. I still don't know how to say her name. But anyway, we got this hot pot thing, a ridiculous amount of food. It's kind of buffet style where you sort of go up there and choose from all kinds of meats and vegetables and sauces and stuff like that. We got the pork liver, we got the bacon, we got the beef, we got the pork, we got the hot sauce, we got everything. If you like a lot of the same kind of stuff, she got the pork liver, she got the tripe, and everything else. Yeah, it's working out. My lovely Thai friend took off today. She had to work. Really, that just made the whole experience that much better, being able to travel with somebody that can speak the language. I'm getting ready to head out of here and into the mountains further that way. Man, I don't know exactly where I'm going. I just kind of picked a really curvy line on the map that sort of runs parallel
with the country of Myanmar, which is currently, you know, for the last several years been engaged in some pretty brutal civil wars. It's a place that I was advised not to visit at all costs. I don't know where I'm going exactly. I got my camping stuff on the back. This is my disguise, by the way. When I first pulled up here, the lady told me, "Oh, I thought you were Thai." You know, if you look at the Thais, they always wear a neck gaiter like this to kind of protect their lips and nose from getting sunburned, a pair of glasses, and a long sleeve sun shirt like this, long pants, the whole deal. So this is my kind of camouflage, you know. I hear the cops in Thailand can be pretty rough as far as pulling foreigners over, so I want to blend in absolutely as much as possible. Anyway, enough bullshit, and let's get on the road. With my camping gear on the back, I picked a curvy line leading into the mountains and hit the gas. So as always, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe. And as usual, I've included an optional donate link in the drop box for anybody that might like to contribute to this project. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.